What do you think, guys? Can you completely rely on organic farming? I don't think so. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mahi Choudhary, and I am going to present my motion against the topic organic farming is the answer to the sustainable development and food security in India. Just focus on this term, that is sustainable agriculture. We all know that sustainable development always go hand in hand with the inclusive growth. But can anyone in this court tell me that can organic farming lead to inclusive growth? Not at all. You all guys have heard about the 2 dimensions, 3 dimensions, but let me guys show you the 7th dimension of this particular topic, that is organic farming. First dimension is the sustainable development goals. Sustainable development goal number 1, that is no poverty. Sustainable development goal number 2, that is no hunger. Goal number 13, that is decreasing inequality. It becomes very difficult to the organic farming. The second dimension can be ample subsidy that is provided by World Trade Organization. Ample subsidy like MSP and fertilizer subsidy. These are not available in case of organic farming. The third dimension can be red tapeism. Red tapeism in getting organic certificate or organic license. If you go to any certification agency or certification giving company, you have to follow a cumbersome procedure to get the certificate. So the next dimension, that is food security. We will know that the global hunger index we are standing at 1.1, and through organic farming, due to high capital investment and low productivity, it is very difficult to get and export the food security. So the next dimension, that is the most highlighted topic, that is the seeking organic revolution. But do you know the negative side of it? Do you know the negative side of it? The common people in the city are facing issue in buying organic product because organic products are costlier than the normal product. Like we are buying. The next dimension can be the recent case of Sri Lanka organic prices. They have only remaining $2.4 billion for the foreign trade. The last dimension, I want